Farmer saves speeding train. A local Vietnamese farmer was admired yesterday for helping to stop a passenger train before an accident could happen. The farmer ran to the nearest railway guard to report that there was a huge hole in the railway track near his home. As he was doing that, they saw the train approaching. The railway guard quickly waved for the train to stop. The train, which had 500 passengers on board, stopped about 300 meters from the damaged track. The farmer and guard will be rewarded. The word list for Article 1A. Please repeat each word after me. 1. Saves. 2. Farmer. 3. Admired. 4. Yesterday. 5. Helping. 6. Passenger train. 7. Before. 8. Could happen. 9. Report. 10. Huge. 11. Whole. 12. Near. 13. S. 14. Waved. 15. Rewarded. This is the end of Article 1A.